welcome to the southwest of England. I'm Megan and I'm travelling with my husband Kieran for a week and a half here. We're going to hit up Devon, Dorset, Cornwall and Somerset. Let's go. Well, I've never been more glad for my hiking boots than walking through UK in winter. So much mud, so much water, but so worth it. Today we're in Devon, in Dartmoor National Park. We've just walked up to the Church of Brentor after travelling through Tavistock, a really cute town. We came here on a Saturday and there's a full market going on that we had to wander through. Didn't film in there, but it was really cool. And we've just walked up to the church to have a look, and you've got a beautiful panoramic view of the whole national park, and it's absolutely stunning. Really, really cool. Check it out, it's the Dartmoor ponies. So this morning we've headed over to Fogantor Quarry in Dartmoor National Park. It's about a 2 kilometre walk in, out and back, so 4 kilometres all up. It's really beautiful. It looks like you can also walk around the top if you want and get a view of the whole quarry. We've just come into the middle. It's quite windy today, so it's a bit more sheltered inside, but it's still just magnificent. Well, we're here at the Valley of the Rocks hike in Linton. It's been an interesting day. If you're here on a Monday, I would advise checking if things are open. We went through Selworthy, tried to have some periwinkle tea, and we tried to go to Dunster Castle. Everything was closed, so make sure you look ahead. But we've made something of the day. We went to the Greenhouse Cafe and they had a great feed and a lovely coffee. And we went for a beautiful hike over the rocks behind us. We definitely recommend. Linton is a beautiful town. It felt almost Scandinavian. You can get from Lynmouth to Linton via the water-powered railway, and the walk provides spectacular coastal views as well as some local poetry along the way. Currently staying at Butterwell Farm in Cornwall, and it has 40 acres of property to explore, including an ancient woodland and its own entrance onto Camel River. So we're going to go have a wander because apparently you can find lots of wildlife, and Kieran's been desperate to see some wildlife, so let's go. Well, the thing about wildlife, sometimes it can be elusive. We did see a deer and some beautiful heron. Unfortunately, the beaver and the otters were nowhere to be seen, but thankfully there's always a local sheep. We're heading to Tintagel Castle. It's a Wednesday, so it's not open, so we might have to come back, but the weather's really good, so we thought we'd get some drone footage if we can, and maybe wander down to Merlin's Cave, so we'll have a look. Although the bridge was closed for construction for the day, the whole area is worth exploring. We headed down to the bottom to Merlin's Cave. At low tide, you can actually explore inside the cave. This area is host to many King Arthur and Merlin legends. We just went on the most epic bike ride. If you've never done e-bikes before, would definitely recommend giving them a try if you want to see an area quickly. We picked up a bike from Wade Bridge at Camel Trail Cycle Hire, and we rode all the way down the Camel River down to Padstow, had some lunch, had a little wander around a beautiful little coastal town, tried pasties, and just rode back. It was an amazing day and so much fun. Here we go, Cornish pasty in Cornwall. May have had a cheeky little nibble on the pastry in the store, which was really good, but here goes. That's so good. Delicious. Currently at our final stop in Cornwall, over at Port Isaac. It's been a bit of a drizzly couple of days, so we haven't been able to film much, but I'm excited to go to the town. This is actually where Doc Martin is filmed, and really excited to go walk up the cliff and just have a really good look at the coastline. I was very excited to visit Dorset. My gran, who's been living in Australia for about 60 years now, used to holiday here every year with her family. And she and her brother used to row out and through the door. After hearing her stories, I was eager to see it in person. We're in Dorset. We're not here for very long. We just arrived yesterday afternoon and we went over and looked at Dorset to start off with. This morning we've gotten up early, we've walked down to Old Harry Rocks. We parked at South Beach and had the walk down. It's about 2 k's in and 2 k's back out. And next we're going to head over to Corfe Castle and have a look. So we're in Bath and we were having breakfast at the Ivy Bar and Brasserie when a local told us to come to this beautiful waterway. We walked through the Holborn Museum, out the back, past the little cafe, through the park, down into the waterway, and we're just walking along the path here and it's really beautiful. There's all these houseboats and you've got a really lovely view of the city. Yeah, so if you're this way and you've got a bit of extra time after seeing the Bath and the Abbey and all the main attractions, I would advise maybe coming down here and going for a walk.